Hey there creatives, and welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of using the same old design tools? Well, you're in luck because today we're counting down the top 10 insane tools to effortlessly design stunning visuals with just one click. Let's face it, Canva's been a design powerhouse for a while. But the design world is constantly evolving, and new tools are emerging that offer some pretty awesome features. Maybe you're a seasoned designer looking to expand your toolkit, or perhaps you're a newbie just starting your creative journey. Either way, buckle up, because we're about to unveil 10 insane tools that will have you creating stunning visuals with just one click. 1. Photopea.io. This free photo editor and collage maker is a hidden gem. It packs a punch with tons of editing tools to bring your photos to life. 2. Snappa. Get ready to create online graphics in a snap. This free tool lives up to its name and is perfect for quick and easy design projects. 3. Easil. Unleash your inner designer with Easil's drag-and-drop interface. Thousands of trendy templates are at your fingertips, ready to be customized in a flash. 4. DesignBold. Another free alternative gaining popularity, DesignBold offers a powerful platform for all your design needs. 5. Photopea. Now, this one's a bit different. Photopea is a web-based graphic editor with serious capabilities. Think image editing, web design, and even format conversion, all in your browser. However, it requires some familiarity with design software. 6. Pixlr. Editing, creating, and sharing images online is a breeze with Pixlr. This free platform is perfect for beginners and casual users. 7. Colorcinch. Spice things up with Colorcinch. This feature-packed editor lets you transform photos and even create cartoons with ease. It's free, beautiful, and simple to use. 8. Animaker. Take your designs to the next level with animation. Animaker allows you to create stunning videos, short clips, GIFs, and even edit live videos. 9. DesignCap. If you crave high-quality templates, DesignCap has your back. Explore their vast collection of illustrations, shapes, and stylish fonts to bring your vision to life. 10. Design Wizard. This powerhouse lets you create both video and image designs in minutes. Perfect for those who need a versatile design solution. There you have it, 10 incredible tools waiting to be explored. Remember, design is all about expressing yourself. So, experiment, have fun, and unleash your creativity with these one-click wonders. Don't forget to leave a comment below and tell us which tool caught your eye the most. Until next time, happy designing!